we are, baby.
The Gathering of the Horseradish 2021. We get a good crop of it here. She likes to make, I'm seeing white already. Oh boy. See a root right there.
I know. You dig in front of it.
Yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, maybe four or five good sized horseradish roots that we grow here at the vineyard. We're going to turn these into horseradish, man. Going to be awesome. And we give away some of them for gifts. So this is the horseradish after it gets washed up. Grind it up. There's quite a bit of root here. Oh, it smells awesome. The wife is doing a nice job cleaning it all up nice. And then we chop it up a little bit, then we'll grind it up. Add the vinegar and salt, show you what it looks like, and we give it away for Christmas presents. Why wouldn't I? I grow it every year. I'm going to put the power on.
Alright, here we go.
Get all the horseradish in there with, what else is in there?
Just the horseradish.
Just some horseradish chunks. And we're going to grind that up and then add vinegar.
There you go. 7 jars. Creamy horseradish sauce. The crowns go back in the ground.